Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore one of the most powerful features of Google Drive, sharing files and collaborating in real time. Instead of sending different versions of a document back and forth through email, Google Drive allows everyone to work together on the same file at the same time. Let's see how it works. Let's begin with the basics of sharing a file. To share a file in Google Drive, first select the file you want to share, and then click the three dots at the end. A small menu will open. Click on the Share button. Now there are two options. One is to share the file and the other is to copy the link. Select Share. A dialog box will appear, and from here, you can begin entering the email addresses of the people you want to share the file with. Type the email and then press Enter or write comma. If the person email is already added with you, then a list will appear automatically. Click the email. If you want to share with multiple people, simply click another email from the list and so on. If you want to remove an email address or addresses, then press the cross sign. Next, you can choose the level of access you want to give them. Google Drive allows you to decide whether someone can edit the document, leave comments, or only view it. In this example, I want everyone to be able to edit the document, so I'll leave the default setting as it is. It's important to note that anyone you share the file with through their email address will need to sign in with their own Google account to view or edit the file. Before sending, you can also include a short message to let them know what the file is about. Once you're done, click Send. Now let's look at another way to share your files, sharing with a link. To do this, start the same way by selecting the file and clicking the Share button. This time, select Copy Link. The link is copied. Now compose email and paste the link in the message area. Once you click Send, a dialog box appears. Here you can manage the permissions. You can choose what level of access the link will provide, whether people can edit, comment, or simply view the file. On the receiving side, there are two mails arrived, one with the link and the other with the file. Another helpful collaboration tool is the ability to add comments. To insert a comment in Google Docs, select the text or area you want to comment on, and then click the small comment icon that appears on the right side. This opens a comment box where you can type your note. Your co-authors can reply directly to your comment, making it easier to discuss updates, suggest changes, and work together smoothly. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Google Drive and tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.